Hello my dear children, I welcome you once again to my videos of maths classes, and we will be continuing with the same chapter, polynomials, exercise 2.5, and this is part 21 of our video, and in this we will be doing question number 8 and question number 9 of the same exercise. Fine. In the previous video we have done the questions before this. Okay, so let us start with question number 8. And before starting with question number 8, let me remind you once again about the identities that we will be using in both of these questions. Fine. Now in the previous video, I have explained you about a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. These are the new identities for class 9. And also I have told you that a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That means in the cubic identity of a plus b, we have all the plus signs together. Similarly, in a minus b whole cube, we have a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. That means all the negative signs are there. This way you can learn it easily. How a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. ध्यान से देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर प्लस है, तो इसमें सब में प्लस है. यहाँ पर माइनस है, तो all these are minus sign. But there is a little change. कि अगर आप इसको इस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तो प्लस वाली में तो स्टिल देयर आर ऑल एडिशन साइन, बट व्हेन यू हैव दिस माइनस साइन आइडेंटिटी एंड यू आर राइटिंग इट इन दिस फॉर्म, देन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट दिस 3ab स्क्वायर विल बी पॉजिटिव. और ये क्यों होगा? बिकॉज यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग माइनस 3ab बाय माइनस b. व्हेन दिस माइनस एंड माइनस साइन गेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड, इट बिकम्स प्लस. फाइन. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, सेकंड पार्ट. Question number 8, second part, we have 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now, if you look at the identity carefully, either of these two identities are used, and very easily one can make out that this is the right hand side form of the identity. अब कौन सी identity है? This also we can make out very easily. Just now only I have told you कि माइनस वाली आइडेंटिटी में सारे माइनस होते हैं एक्सेप्ट 1. So that means for sure it is that this is this identity a minus b whole cube. अब ये लगाएंगे कैसे? How we have to implement? First of all, we have to mention the identity that we are using. So which identity are we using? We are using what? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equals to a minus b whole cube. And one change there, that when you have the identity in the form of a, b, c, then you have to change the identity in the form of x and y. This I told you many times earlier. Since the question is in ABC, so we will be writing this identity in the form of x and y. X cube minus y cube minus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square, and this is equals to x minus y whole cube. I hope there is no confusion between this. सिर्फ यहाँ पर a और b है, और a और b के बदले हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया है x और y. Fine. और वो क्यों लिखा है? Because the question is given to us in the form of a and b. तो ताकि confusion नहीं हो, तो we have just molded it in other variable. Fine. Now we have this side. We have this form of the question. That means answer will be in this form. That means to get the answer we need x and y. ठीक है? अब x और y निकालते हैं. x क्यूब. यहाँ पर x क्यूब है. यहाँ पर x क्यूब कितना है? 8a क्यूब. यहाँ पर y क्यूब, और यहाँ पर y क्यूब कितना है? हमें सिर्फ x और y तो चाहिए ना. x क्यूब इज 8a क्यूब, तो खाली x कितना होगा? हम x क्यूब 8a क्यूब को कैन आई राइट इट दिस वे ऑल्सो 2a and whole cube. x क्यूब वॉज 8a whole cube. अब 8 क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2. तो इस 8 के बदले I have written 2, and then इस a क्यूब के बदले I have written just a. That means 2a and whole cube. Is there any problem in this? Okay. That means what is the value of x that I will get? 2a. I think I'm clear. Then similarly, your y cube is b and whole cube. That means your y will be b, and we need just x minus y whole cube. X minus y and whole cube. This can also be written as 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Fine. One more thing to check, if you have 2a minus b whole cube, if you again apply the same identity this, then you will get your right hand side expression. Clear? Okay. Now moving on to the next, we have fifth part of the identity, that is 27p cube minus 216 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p. Now quickly look at the question and try to find out that which identity are we going to use in this question, fifth part of question number A. I have taken this part because it is in fractions and you may find it a little difficult to do, but it is as simple as your ABC. We have the question 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4 p. Now look at the question carefully. We have to apply any of these two identities, but when we look at the question again we will find negative sign, and here we are having one positive sign. Cubic identity, 2 negative and 1 positive sign. That means for sure we are going to apply the second identity. And what is that identity? A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b and plus 3ab square. Fine. Now look at the question carefully, that this is the question and the question is in this form. That means जिस फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन दिया होता है हमें आंसर उसकी दूसरी फॉर्म में निकालना होता है. That means we will be getting the answer in this form, a minus b whole cube. For getting the answer in this form, a minus b whole cube, we need the values of a and b. So first of all, let us compare a cube from the question. A cube in the question is given 27p cube. That means a cube will be, 27 is a cube of which number? 3. 3p and whole cube. That means from a, the value of a comes out to be 3p. ठीक है? अब let us compare b cube. b cube तो दिया ही नहीं है यहाँ पर कहीं. Look carefully. b cube तो नहीं दे रखा है ना. b cube ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं दे रखा है. It is given, but it is given indirectly. How? b cube is 1 upon 216. Because 1 also is a cube of 1 and 216 is the cube of number 6. That means b of cube is 1 upon 6 and whole cube. When you multiply 1 into 1 into 1 you will get 1, and when you multiply 6 into 6 into 6 you will get 216. That means value of b we are getting as 1 upon 6. Fine. Now we just need a minus b whole cube. That means what do we need? 3p minus 1 upon 6 and whole cube. Also 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube can be written as, you leave the answer here, it is correct, or you write it 3 times. Means open it and write the question 3 times. Fine. So this is your answer for part 5. Look at the question carefully, and with these two parts that I have explained you will be able to do all other parts of the same question. Now moving on to the next question, we have question number 9, and there are two parts in question number 9, and 9th question is very simple. If you look at it, the question is verify. The question is verify, and whenever we have the questions of verify, that means we have to prove prove the question by taking left hand side and right hand side. So let us first take, we have x cube plus y cube, and this is equals to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now we have to verify that x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now normally, or basically it happens in the questions of verification, both the sides are equal. 100%, not 100% exactly, 99% the questions are equal. And we have to verify by taking left hand side, and we have to prove it equal to right hand side. Or we take right hand side and we prove it equals to left hand side. Fine. So let us take right hand side only and let us solve right hand side. Let's see whether it comes equals to our left hand side or not. So let us start with RHS. We have x plus y and we have, fine, x to be multiplied by this complete bracket and y to be multiplied by this complete bracket. X into x square minus xy plus y square, then plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Here, now x to be multiplied by all the numbers inside the bracket. This becomes x cube minus x square y plus x y square. Then again y also to be multiplied by all the numbers inside the bracket. This becomes x square y. This becomes minus xy square and it becomes y cube. Now when we look at the expression carefully, we see x cube. Is there any other x cube? No. So we just write x cube. When we see x square y, is there any other x square y? Yes, x square y. This is minus x square y and this is plus x square y. That means this cancels. Then we have xy square. Any other xy square? Xy square. This is plus xy square. This is minus xy square. So this also cancels. We are just left with plus y cube. And when we look at the question, this is the same expression on the left hand side, which is your left hand side. So we say let LHS is equals to RHS and then you have to write hence verified. You have to write it. Left hand side is equals to right hand side and hence verified. Fine. Same way you can do part number 2 of question number 9. Now, just one thing you have to remember now is that you have proved that x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. मतलब अभी तक आपने प्रूव करा था a plus b whole cube, जब दोनों अंदर है और whole cube बाहर है. But here it is x cube plus y cube. x का क्यूब है और y का क्यूब है और ये इक्वल है x plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube के. So though in this question number 9 you have proved it as LHS equals to RHS, means you have verified it. Now in the next questions from question number 10, we will be using this question as an identity. Right? Now in question number 10, we will be using this verification x cube plus y cube as an identity. So you can learn this as well according to your identity. Okay? As I told you that these are the 2 more identities. This is 6, this is 7. So you can understand that this is 8th identity. And in part 2nd, which is given, that is x cube minus y cube, that is your 9th identity. Clear? More it will be clear when we start with question number 10 in the next video. Okay? So till then, please try the questions. Okay? बहुत अच्छे से try कीजिए. Though this exercise is little lengthy, but try to understand it. ठीक है? बहुत आराम से, शांत मन से इसको कीजिए. All right? If you find there is any problem, I am there to help you out. Okay? Please keep motivating me by your comments, by your suggestions, by your questions, also by your compliments. अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं आपको कुछ समझा पा रही हूँ. Okay? I need the positive words from you all. Okay? So I request you all to please share the channel so that others can also be benefited. Okay? Bye bye. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care. God bless you.